Hello.
Hello, this is RJ Bates, just calling you back.
Yes, sir. I called your message back.
Oh, I was calling about a property that you wanted to sell me. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. I can't find you in my system, but I've been trying to call you for a couple of days. I think you entered it on my website saying that you wanted to sell.
Oh, I was talking to somebody else. I guess it just read. I know there's been a lot of people trying to get hold of me. I guess. Yeah, I have a house that I want to sell, but I don't trust uh, realtors.
Fantastic. Me and you are going to get along fantastical.
When I got this house, I got it all with my crooked, you know, my realtor, my fraud, in other words. They lied about everything, when I got this house. And I'm not happy with it. I mean, there's not really too much wrong with it at all because I already fixed most of it. But the only thing is the roof, and I've been fighting these people with the roof, so I don't know about that. But as far as the house is concerned, like I tell everybody else, I got it appraised at 215 to 220, and it's a 4-bedroom, 3302 South Hill Drive.
Yes, ma'am. I got it pulled up right here.
Okay, and we painted, we fixed electrical stuff on it that was wrong with it after we moved in. I put tile on one of the bedrooms and took the ugly, dirty rug out, and the rest of it has tile on it. And I painted the kitchen, which was an ugly brown. I painted one of the bedrooms, which was an ugly yellow, and they're all white now. So I got all new appliances in the kitchen, doors. I mean, you name it, faucets, commodes. I have put everything in it, and it's not that house that I want. I need it. When I got it, I was sick. I was in the hospital with COVID and pneumonia, and I almost died at Darnell. And that realtor I had dropped the ball, didn't find us a house or anything. Then she lied to us and told us that a couple that wanted my other house didn't want to back out because I was going to pull it back. And I had oxygen 24/7, and I still do. And so, I mean, everything was done crookedly with us. So I told them I'm not happy with it, but we needed to get into something else. So they got us into this one. Evidently, my realtor and the realtor of this house, they were friends, I guess. And I guess my realtor got, antsy when I told her.
Anyone ever watched Santa Clarita's Diet?
Another one. And this was the only house that was coming up by the time they gave us to get out. So
Real tour.
I've really been happy with it. I've tried fixing it. I put rose bushes out there, fixed it up, and I'm still not happy with it because.
Can I buy an A?
For an open floor plan, and she knew it.
Want to buy a Val?
I ride a little scooter inside the house at times when I get tired, and I've had 3 strokes, and so now I have my son who can't walk either. And it's just too little for us.
I see. So how much do you want for it?
Well, like I said, it was appraised between 215 and 220. So I don't know. Maybe about 40,000 or something like that. I don't know. I don't know how you all do it.
Well, there's no realtors involved here, so there's no commissions, there's no closing costs or anything like that. So,
right.
I mean, so you tell me, what it is that you're looking to get out of the property, and I'll see if it's a good fit for me or not.
Well, I need to find another house before I get out of this one. That's my problem. And so I don't know what I qualify for, or if I still qualify for another one, or what. I I have to check on that. But no, I don't want to. I don't want to put a price myself. I just want to get an estimate of what you all are offering.
I see. Well, it sounds like you're going to need to find another property before we go down that path and see if you could even buy another property.
Right.
Because you have a mortgage on this one, right?
Yeah, I owe $139,000.
Right.
And that's another one. I'm trying to get out of this idiot too. They hold my payments till the last minute, and you know I send it on the first of the month, whatever, and then they call me. Well, where's your payment? And this is like on the mid-month. And I said, what do you mean, where's my payment? I'm sending it to Dallas, which it takes about 2 or 3 days. I said, you should have gotten it already. Well, we can't find it. I said, well, you better find it. I said, because you're ruining my credit. I said, you better find it and you better post it, you know. And like this time they called me on the 19th, on the 18th. They called me on the 18th. You know, they hadn't received the payment. I said, you all better look for it right now. I said, because I'm not going to do the legwork for you. You should have gotten it from But I mean, I tell them, hey, no, this ain't gonna work, you know. And I got mad at them, sorry.
I see.
I'm tired of them.
Okay, well, how about this? I'm gonna dive into your property a little bit more, see if it's something that we would be interested in, and then I'll call you back and I'll make you an offer. Okay?
That's fine.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Holy mother of God, we will not be doing business with that lady.
Just did you see my comment? Are we the next idiots in her story?
I mean, bro, just
where was that located?
Killeen. Can I add an A to everything?
Killeen, Texas?
Killeen, Texas.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Speed to lead says yes, I own this property. Need to sell ASAP. You know, all the things. I cannot tell you how uninterested I am in that property.
It sounded like she was going to be asking close to the market value, but then she said something around the effect of like her mortgage was a lot lower.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I don't want to deal with her. I mean, in fact, I am telling you, I will not deal with her. Like I would rather go do right now with no breaks another 8 hours if I never have to talk to that woman again. Please. I can't deal with the victim mentality. Just, it was the realtor's fault. It was the lender's fault for not getting her check. It was, I mean, dude, you need more taco in your life.
More taco.